Give me one last dance before we hit the ground. Push me into overdrive, what a lovely way to die. If you're with me by my side, I'm in for the ride. Come on.
And now, I'm gonna have to kill this fucking clown. Welcome to the Losers Club, man!
Hey, Bevy. Are you still my...
Finish him!
Oh, shit!
That's why you didn't kill Beverly. Because she wasn't afraid. And we aren't either. Not anymore. Now you're the one who's afraid. Because you're gonna starve.
Against the post, and still as he sees the ghost, he thrusts his fist against the post.
Fatality.
Fear.
Flawless victory.